Imagine waking up not to a blaring alarm, but to the gentle tap of a long stick on your window. This was the job of a knocker-upper, an unusual profession that thrived before alarm clocks became household staples. In the early 19th and 20th centuries, especially in industrial Britain, these human alarm clocks were hired to ensure workers didn't miss their shifts. Armed with long bamboo poles or pea shooters, they would roam the streets in the pre-dawn hours, tapping on designated windows or even blowing dried peas at upper-floor windows, all without waking the entire neighborhood. These intrepid early risers were paid a few pence a week for their services, ensuring factory workers were on time during an era when lateness could mean losing a day's pay. The knocker-upper's job required precision and reliability, a quaint yet vital cog in the machinery of the Industrial Revolution, underscoring a time when human ingenuity filled the gaps left by technology yet to come.